What do square brackets mean in pip install? I see more and more commands like this. What do these square brackets do?
The syntax that you are using is. In your case, you are installing the Splinter package, which has the added support for Django. Pip install Splinter Django would install two packages, named Splinter and Django. Pip install Splinter Django, on the other hand, installs Splinter, but it also installs optional dependencies, defined by Splinter, using the keyword in the brackets. In this case, as of May 15, 2024 is Django, LXML and select. Note that the keyword in brackets has nothing to do with the Django package itself, but is just a string defined by the Splinter package for a particular set of dependencies that also get installed. How the argument Django is interpreted depends on the build system, but any setuptools-based build system, including most instances of setup.py, will likely just use them as a hook for optional dependencies. It's worth noting that the syntax supports using multiple keywords, e.g. Kudos to Ed Chapner for adding context in the comments.
Pretty sure these are setup tools extras. This URL. Sometimes a project has recommended dependencies that are not required for all uses of the project. For example, a project might offer optional PDF output if ReportLab is installed, and restructured text support if DocuTools is installed. These optional features are called extras.
Brackets, optional, in pip signify optional dependencies. Just in case another developer comes along looking to implement this pattern in their own Python package deployment, here's further explanation of the brackets in pip. For example, Apache Airflow. To install Airflow from pip, we use this command. You can install optional components of Airflow with When we search PyP for Apache Airflow, note that the optional packages do not show up. Implementation via setup.py. You can see how this was accomplished in the setup.py script. On the left in setup.py, extras_require is defined. On the right are the correlated installation commands for these optional sub-packages. Maybe worthwhile to know that this optional package syntax admits multiple extras separated by comma within the brackets, as in. As per the pip manual.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.